Good day, traders. This is Crash Hunter over here. Let's have a fucking technical look at the price of gold. It is crazy this week. I gotta admit that. So let's dive into the analysis. So basically, as I mentioned from the last week, there is a lot of higher lows that the market had created, and you basically have to respect these lows. The market moved in accordance to these lows. Okay, he went on a bullish momentum. All these lows been respected, not a single one got broken. Okay, so as I mentioned, the sell areas is to sell at the higher highs. Once the market create a high, then you can look for short. Okay, once the market create a new high, you can look for short, and he did respect that over and over. Okay, so what is happening for now? Like for me, if I see this structure, okay, it's amazing. The news came negative for the dollar. The gold moved higher, okay, despite the FOMC meeting from last few days. So basically, all what I did see in terms of the technicals is that it is this candle over here and this candle. It is perfect, okay? It's gave me a lot of indication. I almost share a signal to buy it over here, but I just avoid it, okay? I will say why later. So basically, we have this candle. If we go back in time and if we just look at this area where it got broken magnificently, okay, I can guarantee that for you is that we have the same structure over here, okay, the same structure. Okay, you look like have a look at this opening, have a look at this dropping, at this wick, and then this push to the upside. But the question is what the market did after all. The market moved up more till 76 and 75. Sorry, 67 and 75, and then he moved lower. But like as a matter of fact, your real resistance is at 65. Okay, so if you see the price today going to 65, just put the sell on it. Okay, don't buy it. Really, don't buy it thinking that it will go to, I don't know, 2088 or maybe to 100. It's not ready yet. Okay, it's really not ready yet in terms of the structure. And the year just started, right? It's just 1 month past, and I'm not sure that the gold is able to push all the way above the 2100 figure, right? So this is your main resistance level, 2065. It should actually guarantee some sell for you all the way to 2048 and below. Don't forget here the market moved higher, he kicked and he blow out all the sellers, okay? All the damn sellers got blown out, okay? So it's really crucial point. Keep it in your head. This resistance today, it will play out a huge role, okay? This is from my perspective. From another technical point of view, I would say that, okay, we broke this area and then we already finished the structure. It's already bullish, right? So basically here we have change of character, right? And then the market went so bullish. And basically this area became a demand. I actually highlighted since yesterday and I seen this dropping coming. I see this drop coming and I wasn't surprised, honestly speaking. So this is your demand, but is it strong? I'm not sure. I cannot guarantee that for you. All what I know is that this area can be broken easily and the market can push to the downside, okay? From another point, the FOMC meeting from last few days was actually crucial. I held a few positions with it, okay? I did also share some analysis. I hope you took some shorts. The only problem for me is that the entries were actually bad. It wasn't that good. Honestly speaking, I will get into it in a matter of few minutes, okay? So what do we have for today? We basically have the NFP, non-farm employment change, and I do expect this to be strongly positive, okay? Instead of 187, I do expect it to be maybe 230 or 240 to be really positive. The employment rate to be 3.5 or 3.6 less than the forecast, okay? So in case this happen, it will align with our analysis on the DXY, and basically the DXY will move higher. The market already sucked a lot of liquidity, right? Because with the FOMC, everyone thought, okay, let's sell. They sell, they got some profit, but they got greedy, right? And they sell even more. They sold here, they sold here, they sold here. They thinking that, okay, the FOMC had made his decision in terms of the dollar. Okay, so and the market sucked up their liquidity, and now I think he's ready to go down even lower. Okay, so these files are actually important. I do predict it, like for the unemployment rate to be maybe 3.5 or maybe 3.4, something good to be on this, okay, on this list. On the other hand, if we go back again, we will see that the federal fund rate 5.50, he didn't change it, and the statement, if you want to see it, go and see it, was actually clear. It was funny in some sense, but it was clear, okay, for the markets. So get ready for it. On the other part, if we go and if we check the COMEX gold delivery intention breakdown, February 1, we will see a lot of freaking companies, they bought gold, okay, a lot of. So basically, their contract started at 31, the delivery is 2nd of February, which is today, okay. JP Morgan, Advantage, what's else, HSBC is the banks, a lot of gold being bought, okay, Goldman as well. So basically, what does that indicate? It indicate it during 31st of January, right? It basically indicate a bullish momentum to occur, because when they buy, they need the price to go up before the period of delivery. Okay, this is what usually happen with these. I always watch them. I don't make my analysis based on that, because it will sound really stupid, right? But these companies, banks are really huge, okay. They buy a lot of contracts, huge amount of money, be like they go and they be injected in the chart, okay. So they push the price in a magnificent way, and as we did see, or as we did see over here yesterday, right? And the only thing, if we go to the CME group, you will see basically February 2, okay, and the volume, and you will look at the deliveries, it is already been delivered. So basically, these physical gold been delivered to these companies, and these companies, they can't sell it at a higher price, because what they bought it at, like during 31, like maybe at 2030 or maybe at 2035, I mean the price, right, for 100 ounce maybe, right, for an ounce maybe, I don't know, for an ounce, yeah, for 2035 for example, right? And basically now they receive this physical gold and they can't sell it for a higher price. Could be maybe 2056, could be something like this. I don't know which hour they received it and when and how they gonna sell it, okay. So the only thing you can see, the deliveries is 11,659, and if you go and you'll see the total is basically 11,659, okay. So it's same orders as this one, to be exact. It's really the same, and you can see the change is negative 11,380, okay. So in my perspective, in my view, I do see this area to be really strong supply, because this gold will go and will be supplied into the real market for a higher price in order for these companies to make profit. So I buy at 2030 and I sell it at 2058 or 2057, okay. And once I inject it into the market, I made a lot of money. There is no volume left on the charts, so the price will go down. And if the price go down, I can buy even more later the month or later the weeks, okay. So keep it in your head, it's really crucial. And not to forget, the FOMC statement was at least pretty clear for me, okay. It was clear for me. If we go back to the entries that I made, let me just show you really quick. It was really stupid, honestly speaking. I got few buys, he hit my stop over here. I put my, like, he go up, and then I adjust my stop loss, and he hit it, and he move higher. Same thing, unfortunately, over here. Then I took a sell over here, okay, and he hit my stop, okay. So I took another sales over here, and I got cracked by this candle, okay. My stop was at these levels, to be exact, at these levels, okay, 52. This was my stop loss, but thankfully I got this rejection after all. Okay, I got emotional and I closed a little bit early. And I have some, yeah, some trades here, some trades there. It wasn't the best week for me, but yeah, it is what it is, okay? So this is it for this video. I don't want to make it complicated. Please, please don't be stupid in terms of the news. Wait for the news. I mean, don't buy before the news. Buy after or sell after, okay? Wait for it. Wait for rejection or retracement. Don't make the same mistake that I made over here. So the news came, I entered, and I got this, okay? So yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes the market move your way, right? Sometimes not. I actually went into profit at some point here, from here to maybe here, I don't know. But I thought, okay, it will drop back again to 2030 at least. And it did, but it did the retest first, right? For the buyers. Crazy retest, $10 move, and then he dropped back again. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope it was useful. Please leave a like and sub for the channel. If you have any question, write me down in the comment section. I will be answering it. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great weekend.